Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PrettyLinks WordPress plugin for brand. To begin, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Plugins. Select Add New from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type PrettyLinks. Once the results load, find the PrettyLinks plugin. Click on the Install Now button next to it. Wait for the installation to complete. Afterward, click on the Activate button. You will now see a new menu option labeled PrettyLinks. Click on PrettyLinks to access the plugin's dashboard. To create your first branded affiliate URL, click on Add New Link. You will be directed to the link creation screen. In the target URL field, enter the affiliate link you want to shorten. In the link title field, provide a name for your link. Now, under the PrettyLinks section, enter your desired branded URL. You can choose a keyword that matches your content. Scroll down to find additional options for tracking and redirection. Once you have configured all settings to your liking, click on the Create button. Your newly created link will now appear in the PrettyLinks dashboard. You can test the link by clicking on it to ensure it redirects correctly. Feel free to edit or delete any links as needed from this dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured the PrettyLinks plugin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.